Hello everyone, welcome back. We are working on creating this fox jump animation and we have finished working on the first part. So let us carry on with the animation and create these poses when the fox is jumping. So we got this part done so far. What we will do is we will work on the part where the fox is in the air and we will create this pose. All right. So we have animated the character body and we have animated the four legs. So first we will work with those, and what we will also do is, yeah, that's fine. I was thinking of getting rid of the opacity, but I'll keep it there. All right. So you can see that the front legs are up. So we'll do the same. Okay, the other thing is now what we will do is we'll start moving it in X and Y. So I want to create the keys for the X movement as well. So I'll select these and hit P and add the X movement in all the frames. This is going to take a very long time to create the animation. So I suggest that what I wanted to say is that I will not be going through the entire process step by step, but just give you the basics and then you can finish it off. So there are way too many controls and each control has to be animated to get the animation done. So you can see that we have four legs, three for the tail, then we have the head control, then we have the hip control. You can see that the fox is bending here. So to create this bend, we will have to animate this, and this. So there will be like multiple controls. We will be using the position and rotation option for those multiple controls. So it's going to take some time to get it right. All right. So now that we have added the X and Y position for the legs, what we will do is move this leg to create this. Okay. Then the legs are in the front here. For some reason, it doesn't really move. Okay. So we got to make sure that we don't add too much stretching. You can see that even though it's stretched, there is a bend. Alright, so now we need to create this bend. So what we will have to do is we'll have to select each, and then first we need to see in effects if there are any rotation keys. So none of these have, other than the tail, don't have any rotation option here. Okay, so the head, now we have not animated the head, so what we have to do is anytime you animate something, make sure that you add a key and 0. So what I'm going to do is rotate the head down. So I will go to R for the head, add a key, and when I'm up, I need to rotate the head down. Okay, this option also I will go and hit the R key, add a rotation here, go to 0, add a rotation key, go back to where you are, and then we will rotate that option. Here again we will rotate the head more. Okay, so we need this part to be working right. So I will select this option and go to P and add a key there, go to 0, add a key, and now when you go there you can then move it up. Okay, so you can select the next one, again hit the P key, add a key in the beginning, add a key, go to the end, move it up. Okay, now the fox is, the head is kind of below the hip, so we can also select the hip. Let us select the body and see if we can rotate the body. Okay, so select the body and hit the R key for the body, add a key, go to 0, add a key, go there, and okay, you can rotate. We can also animate the position of the head, so we will add a key for the position, and you can try to move the head front as well. Okay, so you get somewhat of this pose. Maybe the head can be rotated further. So this is just a matter of working with this and trying to see what works. See if you can move these. Okay, the tail seems to have rotated a little bit more than what I would like. All right, so we have done that pose. I'll save this, and then let us work on another pose. So maybe a pose when the fox just leaves the ground. Okay, so here the fox has just left the ground, so we'll animate that part. So again the body will rotate up, the head will rotate down, Legs go up. So moving these parts is a little difficult. Alright, so you can really speed up your work process a little bit. Okay, you can move the body up. So again, you have this bend here, so we can rotate. Okay, then the body can rotate more. Okay, so if you want to get this, you can move these things. And now that you have already created a keyframe for 0, when you move it, it will already create a new keyframe, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay, the tail, so you can see how the tail is. Okay, so it is hovering up, so you can animate the tail. The legs should be on the ground, so we got to remove this. So this should be copy pasted. Alright, so our fox was jumping. Let us bring this down. Then let us bring these two down. Everything else remains the same. Okay. Okay, so let us preview this. So this keys we will copy at the last one. So all these keys which may not have been copied, so the fox looks the same when he comes down. Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V, Control C, Control V. Okay. So in the next class, we will continue to pose the character and finish up the animation. Okay. So in the next class, we will look at creating a down pose, this one, all right. And then we will have to do some in-between poses when the fox is in the air and while coming down when the fox is in the air as well. Okay. So that would be in the next class. Thanks.